Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're talking about the best rose gold glitter vinyl you can get your hands on. The Tvinyl Warehouse Rose Gold Glitter HTV Heat Transfer Vinyl. Whether you're a crafting beginner or a seasoned pro, this heat transfer vinyl delivers on quality, ease of use, and that show-stopping sparkle that makes every design pop. So let's break it down and see why this is the top choice for your next DIY project. This pack includes 3 sheets of rose gold glitter heat transfer vinyl, each measuring a full 12 inches by 10 inches. Unlike rolled vinyl that can sometimes curl or shift during cutting, these sheets are flat-packed, making them easy to feed into your cutting machine. The material is made of 100% eco-friendly polyurethane, offering a premium feel with a glittery finish that adds an eye-catching touch to any garment. The polyurethane material isn't just eco-friendly, it's also durable and flexible, perfect for both kids' and adults' clothing. It's compatible with a wide range of fabrics including cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends. And no worries if you're using popular machines like Cricut, Silhouette Cameo, Portrait, Curio, Brother ScanKit, or even GCC Expert Series. This HTV is built to work seamlessly across all of them. Whether you're cutting out detailed text, intricate logos, or bold designs, it performs with precision and ease. One of the standout features of this rose gold glitter vinyl is how easy it is to cut, weed, and apply. Even beginners find it super user-friendly. The weeding process, where you remove the excess vinyl, is smooth and hassle-free. And the design adheres easily to your fabric using a standard household iron or a heat press. Plus, the vinyl has excellent color fastness, which means your designs won't fade easily even after multiple washes. What makes this HTV stand out is its gorgeous, sparkly rose gold finish that gives a high-end, fashionable look to every creation. Whether you're customizing a t-shirt, tote bag, hoodie, or even home decor, this vinyl transforms your items into personalized masterpieces. It's also safe for children's clothing, which makes it a great choice for family projects or gifts. So if you're looking for a heat transfer vinyl that's easy to work with, durable, and stunning to look at, the Tvinyl Warehouse Rose Gold Glitter HTV is definitely worth considering. It's reliable, vibrant, and beginner-friendly, a rare combo in the world of crafting materials. Add a little shimmer to your wardrobe or your small business offerings with a vinyl that delivers on every promise. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another honest product breakdown. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!